Ready to get comfortable with the Linux command line? Let's dive in and master updates.
Yeah, I get it. You see this and probably think it's just for super hackers, right?
But honestly, it's way easier to use than you might think, for real.
So why even bother updating? Well, it all boils down to security and performance.
Think of regular updates as your system's bodyguard, keeping your data safe from threats.
And the best part? Every major Linux family has one simple command to do all this.
Just find your distribution on this list. This is going to be the command you'll need to know.
Okay, let's zoom in on the most popular ones, Ubuntu and Debian, to see how it works. It's a really simple two-step process. First, you refresh the list, then you install the updates. Sudo apt update is step 1. Sudo gives you admin power to fetch the new package list. Then, sudo apt upgrade does the actual install. The little -y just auto-answers yes for you.
For an even deeper update, full upgrade is great. It smartly handles trickier dependency changes.
All right, want to go pro? After you update, you can do a little system cleanup.
These commands get rid of all junk and clear out downloaded files. Frees up a lot of space. And listen, to make sure everything goes smoothly, keep these 3 pro tips in mind.
So remember this, the terminal looking like a wall of complex, cryptic text.
But the reality? It's just one single powerful command that you now totally understand.
So now you've got the key to keeping your system updated. The power is all yours.